Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use SY-418 for music and sound settings. First, add music and sound effects in Seekway LED Player. We select a few effects we like. Output SD file. After copying the card, insert the controller and power it on. We click Normal. We can switch between multiple modes here. We switch to sound mode to try the effect. We switch to music, audio, mode to try out the effect. Plug the audio cable into the controller port. Play music. We can see that the lights change with the music effect. The above is all about using SY-418 for music and sound settings. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.